Hello, dear students. I am Messina Kayum and I am your drama teacher. Today, I'm going to introduce to you our Unit 1. And in the first unit from our course, we are going to speak about what is devising theater and what components of the theater and elements of the devising we are going to learn in our unit. In this unit, you will be introduced to the idea of the devising, meaning, definition. What do we mean by devising? What devices or techniques can help when considering how to devise a scene? So the first element of devising is dramatic devices. What is dramatic devices? A dramatic devices is a toolbox that make device scene more interesting. Freeze frame, monologue, cross-cutting, pause, mime, symbols, thought tracking, choral speaking, flashback, narrative, direct address, multi-rolling, masks. It's also important to know the second element is the structure. It's important to know what is the structure of the building your devised piece of theater or of performance. So I'm going to list you the most important terms. Exposition, plot, which is beginning, middle, and end. Climax, highlights, change of mood, episodic, denouement, tension. When considering the character in a devised piece, you should be aware of the following: motivation, interaction, voice, movement, performance, concentration, and involvement. All those three elements we are going to learn in our lesson. What is devised theater? How do we learn about devised theater? We learn about devised theater through main exercises which is related to the genre or method or style or component of devised theater. Being introduced to the devised theater, you will gain understanding of the rules of structuring a piece of theater and readiness to collaborate with others. There is no restrictions on choosing style of the devised piece. However, you will be ensured that the style provides all group members with the opportunity to access the marking criteria. You will be able to explore different structures and buildings and the spaces within them, create fragments of performances which are site-specific, will understand how to create fragments using the shape and atmosphere of the space itself. You're going to have many exercises for those. You will understand how to interpret a character based on objects and apply what you have learned to create a character. Working in ensemble, you will be able to improvise your own ways seamlessly out of most situations without an audience realizing if anything out of the ordinary has happened. And getting closer to the project. You will have in Unit 1 project where you are going to build a character, Johnny's friends. What do you include? A brief personal history of the character and answering on the questions, as if, for example, full name, birthday, parent information, sibling information, 3 personality traits, 2 positive and 1 negative, favorite color, favorite food, and also the second aspect is the narrative on how this character knows Johnny. And the third part, the third step, you are going to write to Johnny a letter from the friend. The letter addressed what different things is going on in Johnny's life, and any advice they would love to give him. This was your trip through Unit 1, and I'm waiting you in our lesson. Have a good day.